What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Drew IQ. Welcome to another episode of Winners Win. Today, I'm very excited. We're going to be talking about and comparing Instagram, Facebook Reels versus TikToks versus YouTube Shorts. I'm literally going to be giving you everything you need to know regarding this. And honestly, I've been looking at a lot of these other YouTube videos out there right now, and almost all of them are completely wrong. And they aren't even talking about Facebook Reels, which has a big opportunity right now. They're only talking about Instagram Reels and TikToks for the most part. A lot of them don't even talk about YouTube Shorts. But today I will be going over all four of those platforms and telling you pros, cons for each ones. And I will be ranking them from the best to least best whenever it comes to which ones you should be prioritizing for your business and your social media growth. So let's get right into it, guys. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm just going to tell you how I learned about each one of these social media platforms. I have been working in the IT industry for 7+ years, coming on 8 as a network security engineer for a Fortune 500 company. After working there for such an amount of time, I learned that I wanted to kind of venture out and do my own business. And that is whenever I started kind of getting involved with all of these social media platforms, because right now, if you're in a marketing gig, I honestly think abusing and properly using these social media hacks are really going to be the most beneficial for a small business customer. So anyways, that being said, I have created now over 7 different social media accounts on Instagram. I have created multiple Facebook accounts. I have created multiple TikToks. I think I'm up to like 6 or 7 TikToks. And I have created 6 or 7 YouTube channels. And I have posted shorts, Reels, and a lot of TikToks on all of these accounts. That being said, we're going to be comparing those results and what I learned through each one of these platforms. Now, the first one we're going to be talking about is going to be YouTube Shorts, because this has been the worst performing platform concerning, these short video clips. Now, another thing to clarify here is there's 3 different types of communication, right? We have audio, we have written form, and we have videos. This entire video is going to be mainly prioritizing on marketing those short clips, right? Those small video clips that you might get from a YouTube or your Twitch stream or something like that. If you want me to make a whole separate video on, what is better for written communication compared to audio and stuff like that, I can do that on another episode. But today, we're talking about videos and short clips, and with YouTube specifically, they have added this new feature called YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts for me, as far as the organic growth, they're actually decent. I have, a couple videos where I got 1,000 views. I got a couple with 500 views, but for the most part, they're all getting maybe like less than 100 views. I'm maybe getting a couple likes, right? So as far as the organic growth, there is some organic growth there, but it's not a lot. One of the biggest problems for me when it comes to YouTube and YouTube Shorts is it doesn't allow you to put that many hashtags. It allows for 3 hashtags per YouTube short. Now, for most people, this isn't a problem, but when it comes to actually getting, your specific niche audience, those hashtags become really crucial, okay? And the worst part is, all of these shorts, they're all using hashtag short or hashtag shorts. So you're already kind of having to use 2 of those hashtag slots for hashtag shorts, hashtag short, because those have a lot of reach. Now, the best thing for me is you do hashtag shorts with 2 other separate hashtags, one concerning to whatever this video is about. So if this was a gaming video, you would do hashtag shorts, hashtag gaming, and then maybe hashtag, whatever the specific game is, Apex or Fortnite, right? So that's kind of how I've been doing my hashtags. We'll do 1 hashtag shorts, 1 hashtag whatever the industry is. Could it be gaming? Is this finance? Or are we playing golf? Right, and the next hashtag is going to be exactly what this is. Maybe we are playing a specific video game. Maybe we're playing a specific golf course, or maybe we're talking about a specific stock, right? So that's how I've been doing them, and I feel like that is the best way to post your YouTube Shorts. Also, as far as the application goes, I am a tech nerd. The application is the most buggy out of all of them. If you have low memory on your phone, I couldn't even upload my YouTube Shorts, and I always have to go back and delete and make more space. Whereas if I go on Instagram or TikTok, the videos would post and work just fine with the same amount of storage space on my iPhone. So yeah, YouTube has the worst application out of them all. It has decent organic growth, but not very good organic growth, mainly because the lack of hashtags. This being said, I still think it's a very undersaturated market. Not a lot of people are using YouTube Shorts. So I still recommend you take advantage of YouTube Shorts because it's kind of a newer platform. It is the newest one out of all of these, and it's slowly building and getting better and better. Alright, so the next one we're going to be talking about is our number 3 best social media platform, and that is going to be Instagram Reels. Now, Instagram is very good, but the problem for me is it is the most saturated right now. I have the hardest time getting my Instagram Reels to go viral. I've had a couple hit 50K views, but I haven't had any, million view posts yet. So the organic growth is there, but what I've learned with Instagram is it is heavily dependent on which hashtags you use. And are you, experimenting with different hashtags? Because if you use different hashtags, one of those same posts could go viral, but that same post using a different hashtag or hashtags couldn't go viral. So I do think hashtags play a big role when it comes to Instagram. So make sure you're experimenting with different hashtags. The Instagram Reels, there's a limit, so you can't do too many, or your hashtags won't even show up. That was a mistake I made. You have to make sure you're not putting too many hashtags where the hashtags don't even show up in your Reels, so make sure you're not doing that like I was. But yes, hashtags are a big deal when considering Instagram if you want to grow, right? The organic growth is decent, but like I said, without hashtags, you're not really going to get much growth. Another cool thing that I like about Instagram is that it allows you to post Instagram Reels, but not actually add them on your main feed. So what I do is I typically will post an Instagram Reel, and I won't share it on my profile grid. What I'll do is I'll post another time that same reel, but I'll post the reel as an IGTV post with different hashtags. Because what I found out is one of the cons with Instagram is it's real hit or miss. I haven't been able to figure out a solid algorithm that works on Instagram, so I just kind of throw a bunch of different stuff out there, and it's more of a numbers game and experimenting with different hashtags. So yeah, make sure you're experimenting with different hashtags. I know I've said that a couple times. And make sure you're posting that same Instagram post on multiple Instagram accounts, or you're posting it a second time as like an IGTV post or something like that. Another con right now, like I said, is the most saturated market. There's so many Instagram Reels right now. It's almost like every TikTok's an Instagram Reel, and on top of that, there's also separate Instagram Reels. It is really saturated market right now. But I still think it is really useful tool. Just for example, if you post the same thing as Instagram Reels versus just regular posts, Instagram Reels have been much more successful for me all across all 5 and 7 of my accounts, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it for Instagram. It is our number 3. Let's go ahead and get on to the next one we're going to be talking about today, which is TikTok. Alright, so the one that I know everybody wants me to talk about, and that is going to be TikTok, which comes in as our number 2 best platform to post clips. Now, TikTok, in my opinion, is an incredible platform. Some of the things I do think that they do best is the For You page algorithm is absolutely amazing. It's way better than Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts when it comes to figuring out what you want. Like, it almost just feeds you exactly what you're looking for sometimes. It is actually really incredible. So I will say the algorithm for TikTok and the For You page is by far the best out of all of these. Sometimes on Instagram I'll get reels where I'm like, why would they even want me to, like, I don't know, I'm not even interested in this. Like, why are they showing me this, right? So yeah, TikTok's algorithm is by far the best. The solid organic growth is huge on this platform. It is absolutely phenomenal on this platform. Your first TikTok will typically go, maybe get a $2,000-$3,000 view, $3,000 view, 2,000 to 3,000 views on your first TikTok, which is really impressive compared to my first post on Instagram or any of these other ones. It did not even get close to 1,000 views. So the organic growth on TikTok is probably the best in my opinion. It does rely on having some hashtags, and this is how I know the limit for my Instagram Reel or Facebook hashtags. TikTok, I will just do as many hashtags as I can, and I will use TikTok's limitations to post on Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Now, the problem with TikTok, and what I hate the most, is that it's very time intensive. And what I mean by that is you have to post a TikTok every day to see solid results long term. And with Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube Shorts, you really only need to post once a week and they won't really punish you. But if you don't post once a week, then they will start to punish you, like if you only post like once a month or once every 2 months, something crazy like that. But TikTok especially wants you to post every day, if not 3 to 4 times a day. Gary Vee recommends 4 times a day, which is just insane unless you have a team behind you. I try and aim for just 1 a day, and I struggle with that. So that's the main con for TikTok with me. As far as the actual growth, like I said earlier, TikTok, I've had about 700 followers posting the same content, and which is pretty good. Instagram, I have like maybe 100 posting the same content. And Facebook, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, I have the most, as 9,000 followers posting the same content. But what TikTok does well is it really focuses on your niche. It finds what the people that would most likely like your content very well. So that's what I have to say about TikTok. It has an amazing algorithm. Organic growth is insane. And the only con I really have is that you literally have to post every day or it'll kind of hurt your algorithm long term. Alright, that being said, TikTok is a must-use tool for any small business or anyone trying to extend their reach. It is a phenomenal tool and it has helped me a ton. I have been, making connections with a lot of people that I've met on TikTok, and they kind of ended up being my best friends because, like I said, that algorithm really feeds people that are almost very similar to you, and it creates this very organic, close niche fan base, unlike these other tools. Because I find, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts just kind of throws your content to almost everyone. It doesn't really look for these, niche people that would be obsessed with you. Like TikTok, I get fans that are obsessed with me, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, that's TikTok. It's our number 2 best tool to use. But let's start talking about the one I am the most excited to talk about, and that is going to be Facebook Reels. Alright, so Facebook Reels is going to be our number 1 social media platform to post your clips on. Right now, it is the least saturated market. There's almost no one using Facebook Reels. Everyone is just using Instagram Reels. And the majority of YouTube creators don't even mention Facebook Reels or even try to, experiment with it whenever they do these videos. And it kind of made me extremely tilted, okay? And the main reason I'm tilted is because all these videos on YouTube are saying that TikTok's the best, TikTok this, TikTok that. Well, guess what? Facebook Reels destroyed TikTok by far, okay? Like I said, I had 700 followers posting the same content on my TikTok. My Facebook has 9,000 followers organic, and it has multiple Facebook Reels with 1 million views, 250,000 views. Facebook Reels is literally killing it for me, and it's going to be probably the main reason why I do so well this year, especially if I just keep doing the same thing. It is the easiest to go viral currently as of March 11th, 2022. I don't even really care about Facebook. I was just putting up these Facebook Reels, and I wasn't really caring about the hashtags as much. I wasn't even caring about the title as much. I was just posting them, and they would go viral on accident. Okay, it's actually crazy insane that no one is talking about the Facebook Reels opportunity. It is the biggest opportunity right now for a lot of small business. If you're not taking advantage of Facebook Reels, you're really shooting yourself in the foot. TikTok is great, but it nowhere compares to how successful I am on Facebook Reels. I have 4 million engagements this month after posting only 3 months on Facebook. Okay, guys? I don't know what it is, but I think it's just really unsaturated. There's not a lot of people posting Facebook Reels, so please go take advantage of this. I am giving you everything you need to start your business and get it going. Like I said, it took me 3 months to almost get 10K followers, all organically, okay? Now, this being said, one of the cons that I really hate with Facebook Reels is it doesn't let you link your Facebook Reels, kind of like Insta and TikTok, where you can go in the comments and reply with your own video and put part 2. It doesn't let you do that. But what has ended up happening, it has kind of been a good thing for me, because what happens is someone will see one of my, clips, and, my comments, I'll say there's a part 2 in my profile. So what they do is they end up going to my profile, clicking the follow button, scrolling through my clips, and looking for the part 2 of whatever clip they want, which has been weirdly very successful for me. There's a lot of people going to my profile and scrolling through all my reels just to find the part 2. So in a weird way, that has kind of helped me gain followers. And I would have never have guessed that that would have been one of the reasons why Facebook is doing so well. But yeah, Facebook for me, I don't really care too much about the hashtags. Like Instagram feels like you need to focus more on your hashtags. Facebook Reels, sometimes I would just throw a video up with like 2 hashtags and boom, 50K views. No problem. I'm getting, 10 to 20,000 likes. I am actually impressed. I'm sorry I keep going off on this, guys, but nobody's talking about this. Nobody. Like I probably watched 5 different YouTube. Nobody mentioned Facebook Reels. They only talk about Instagram Reels. So please, guys, listen to me, and you will say thank you later. I promise. Facebook Reels is the #1 platform for posting your clips and your short videos. That being said, guys, that is all I got for today. Thank you for stopping by, listening. Please like, subscribe. Leave a comment below, give your own opinion, like which one has been the most successful for you and from your experience. I would love to know, I would love to hear about it. But alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to head out. Thanks for stopping by, and y'all have a good one.